In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Fitbit Charge 5. First of all, how do you know when it's time to charge? To know the battery percentage left into your Charge 5, you just have to, double tap the screen and then swipe from the bottom screen up. Here on the top corner, you should see the battery percentage. You see here I have 71%. Whatever clock phase you're having, by doing this, you will be able to see it. So let's say I want to charge it. Great. First step is to take the charging cable that comes with your watch, and you'll need one of these because they didn't include one in the box. Everything that comes with a smartphone and has a USB-A port will be fine. You can also use a power bank if you don't have access to a wall outlet. To connect the charger to your Fitbit Charge 5, as you can see, there are 4 dots here, golden dots, and on the charger there are 2 prongs. You need to connect them together. The charger has a magnet, so when you'll come closer, both should stick together. Sometimes you may end up like this, and the 2 prongs on the charger are not in contact with the dots on the Fitbit. You just need to slide it until you hear a click, and then you'll be good to go. Since it's magnetic, you can hang it on the side of your nightstand or whatever, and it should not separate. Now on the other side, you're going to connect it to the wall power brick, whatever you want to call it.